and read.
Azim, could you help me?
Of course, Mom.
Would you put these dishes in the kitchen?
Yes, Mom.
Listen and read.
Mom, can I go out and play? Sure, but did you finish your homework? Yes, Mom. Could I take some things to play outside? Okay, be sure to get home early. Mom, may I visit my friend's place before I come home? Yes, you may. Hi friends, what did Shumi and her mother talk about? What are the words that Shumi used?
Listen and read.
Read the sentences again. Can I go out and play? Could I take some things to play outside? May I visit my friend's place before I come home? Remember, we use can, could, and may for taking permission.
Group work. Which expression does Mom use to ask for help? Write them in your exercise copy. Review
Could you
your
help
answer.
me? Would you put these dishes in the kitchen?
Make appropriate sentences by looking at the picture shown below. Pair work. Read and act.
1. You need a pencil to draw a picture. You don't have one. Ask a friend.
Look at the pictures and then answer the questions.
Rajak, may I borrow your pencil? Ma, may I watch the TV now? Could you please help me to do my homework?
Could you please help me to carry my school bag?